Anytime I'm tired, I don't want to shout and I want make my children sleep or make them stay calm. Now waiting I they make for them. Now be this. Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making salad and chicken. Now what you want make today? Now be this. If I dey house and I'm tired, like I said earlier, and I want to relax and I want make my children relax or make them stay calm even if they don't sleep. Now waiting I they make na be this. Because you dey see this salad so no matter how you go dey strong reach, if you eat this salad with this chicken with that baguette abi Moroccan bread, I beg my Moroccan people more than obvious. I don't know the name when they call that bread. They always they call her Moroccan bread, that long bread. Not the waiting that they talk about. So if I want make me and my children relax, more they calm or more sleep. Now waiting I didn't make na be this. Anytime I make this salad, my house they always they calm. So our chicken is reasonable now. Oh yeah, may we move to the next level by making our salad cream. What we go they use for this our salad? So here is my yogurt. I'll be needing 2 spoons. Then we'll come put on our mayonnaise. After that one, now we'll come to put this white cream ahead. This one me and they too they like, and my children ain't they like, and so I just put more because of them. You see that ingredient where they make your jollof rice or soup? Oh yeah, now I'm start to the pack and put inside one after the other, just the way you are seeing it. Next thing now we'll come add our lemon juice. I add 2 spoons. Next thing now we'll come add our olive oil. Then we'll come mix everything together. If you test this cream, in fact, you go even if you use that to eat rice, the way it is sweet. After this, now my people, then we'll come start to mix our salad together, just the way I'm doing it. This salad there, you go sleep like hours. I'm not joking, my people. If you doubt me, just go and give it a try. Then you come and let me know on the comment section if it works or not. You see this beetroot, so I never put her because why? 2 of my children, they not they eat and they not like her. So now only me and my first daughter and they eat them. So we have to skip that part for now. Then we'll come mix everything together. Now then this one and their own. I know they like to mix egg with my salad done because why? In case if we not finish them, if I tell you now the way my children say they happy and say they want eat this salad in the afternoon or more, they know say everywhere is going to be calm. You get? You understand? You know what I mean? So this one now the baby of the house owner in be this one now she now the fed they serve in most cases. Not every time, but sometimes, you understand. Baby of the house. So this one now my second daughter own and I be this one. How go they different? She said make I put cream because you see that cream the way that they like her or not be here. So as I don't serve the 2 now, then this one and me and my first daughter will go enjoy ourselves with this beetroot. What do you guys think? Will you be giving this a try? If yes, please let me know on the comment section. Our salad is ready, neighbor guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next video. Remember to follow this page. If you not follow, wait till you get. Tell me.